Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove a Meta AI on WhatsApp. So some of the countries don't have these features, including mine, but in case that you have this feature and you want to remove this Meta AI feature on your WhatsApp, you just have to go to your settings and then go to your chats and you will see this Show Meta AI button, and all you have to do is to toggle this one off. However, this will just turn off your Meta AI. So if you really want to remove your Meta AI on WhatsApp, the first method is you just have to go to your Android settings or iPhone settings and go to app management, then go to app list and look for WhatsApp application. So here on app list, you can scroll down and look for WhatsApp, or you can just simply go to the search bar and then type WhatsApp, open, and then click the storage usage and then tap clear cache. You can also tap this clear data. After that, you can exit this settings and then go to your WhatsApp application. So launch your WhatsApp application, go to your settings, go to chats, and see if the Meta AI has been removed. Okay, if not, then the second method is you just have to go to any web browser. And then the best thing to do here to simply remove this one in case that you cannot remove this after doing such method is to download the previous or old version of WhatsApp. In the old version of WhatsApp, this Meta AI is not yet installed, or the feature is not yet available there. So you just have to go to any web browser. So I'm going to use this Google web browser here and then type WhatsApp old version. And then click the very first link here, or it's up to you. And then you have to scroll down here and look for that version that you want to download. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.